Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are doing good. This is the third part in the series of active and passive voice. At the end of this video, you will learn the rules to convert active to passive voice, and you will also know the changes that occur in pronouns while converting the sentences from active to passive voice. So let's get started. Let's first quickly remember what we have learned so far. There are two ways to describe relationship between action, subject and object. We generally use active voice. There are two reasons to use passive voice. First is when doer is unknown. Second, when action or object is more important than the subject. We have also seen structures of active and passive voice in the previous video. Let's revise. SVO is the structure of active voice sentences, and the structure of passive voice is O plus HV plus V3 plus by plus S. Now let's go ahead. There are 5 simple steps to convert active voice to passive. Step 1 is to identify. So what is there to identify? To identify SVO, subject, verb, object. Step 2 is swap. Swap means to replace, to exchange. Swap subject with object and object with subject. Step 3 is to add proper helping verb of to be before V3. Step 4 is to convert main verb to third form of the verb. And fifth step is to add preposition by before subjects. So these are the 5 simple steps to convert active voice to passive voice. So remember it. One more thing needs to be remembered here is to change pronouns if used in the sentence while converting the sentences to passive voice. Look at the chart here. In active voice, pronouns are in subjective case and it changes to objective case in passive voice. I becomes by me, we becomes by us, he becomes by him, she becomes by her, it becomes by it, they becomes by them. So remember this chart, it will be helpful to you while changing the tense. So let's revise. There are 5 steps to convert the sentences to passive voice. First, to identify SVO. Second, to swap S to O and O to S. Third, add HV before MV. 4, convert V to V3. And 5th, add by before S. And also remember to change the pronouns while converting it to passive voice. I becomes me, he become him, she become her, they become them. So thank you for watching. If you have any question, you feel free to ask. Thanks.